What's up, everyone? I've got a seriously cool product to show you today. It's got this amazing modern minimalist premium design that just screams sophistication. And the price? You are not going to believe this. It's way more affordable than you'd ever dream for this kind of quality. Seriously, you might from sheer joy. Plus, it's super versatile, works for your office, your home, or even as the perfect gift. Find all the detailed info in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Catch you later.